Okay, this is Uncle Pras beach house. It's from Jogja actually. Nirota. Yeah. Finally, we are here at Uncle Pra beach house. We are preparing to go to the beach. Sunny day, summer in Australia. Miss Bella. Let's go inside. Checking what's inside. Inside. They are preparing. We're going to the beach. We are sleeping here last night. All of us. And the boys is keep chatting. Uncle Pra. Hi. Mark.
Take my glasses off.
Okay.
You can do short videos on that, can't you?
Yes.
It's a shot.
You'll be watching in our YouTube. Oh, that's the barbecue spot. And then, you know, Mark and Jacinta is camping out there last night. I think they have the peaceful spot with no box.